So the first thing I want to show you, I think, is hands down just my favorite feature, and that is I'm currently logged into this application. And if I go home, you can see I'm now at the application builder. One thing that's kind of nice is you can see I have my little user icon now, so you can easily identify faces to names. Little personalization there with the new Apex 5. But one thing that I'm going to do is that I want to sign out of the builder. Okay, and so notice that it redirected me to single sign-on, or to Oracle single sign-on. So in other words, to authenticate to the builder, I'm not using the built-in builder authentication. This is redirecting to a single sign-on that is authenticating me. Now that's really awesome, because what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to apexea.oracle.com. I'm going to click the sign-in button here. It's redirecting me to Oracle single sign-on. I'm going to click sign in, and now this is why I think it's so awesome. I don't have to remember what workspaces I have access to. I just get a list of my workspaces here, right? And that right there is really awesome to me. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to sign into the SB Demo workspace. Notice I didn't have to enter a password because I already signed in. And you might notice already that things are looking really different. Thematically, the theme is very different, but the structure is more or less the same. One thing that changed drastically is you can very easily get to packaged applications. So before, if you wanted to get to packaged applications, you actually had to go to the application builder, create application, and then go find, create a packaged application here. You can just click on packaged applications, and you can go ahead and take a look at the gallery and dig around as you need. Right? That's one thing I'm not going to explore too much. I just wanted to point out. Right. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate into the Apex 5.0 New Features application. So again, things are looking pretty different thematically, but it's still kind of a similar structure that we're used to. I tend to like to use this report view here over the icons. I feel like I get more information this way about my different pages. But obviously, you don't get to see as many pages in one view. All right, so let's go ahead and run my application. Now, that was pretty interesting. Did anyone notice what happened there? I clicked Run My Application. I clicked Run Application, and Apex opened a new tab. So I don't know if you've ever had to deal with this before, or if that's how you've liked to edit your applications. That's sure how I like to work. What I would do is I would go to the builder in one tab, and then I would make sure to right-click and or if it was a link, I'd right-click and I'd open a new tab, right? And it's just so I could work on. I have my builder on one tab and actually looking at the application in another. Well, Apex just does that for you now, and it manages that for you. So as I want to click Edit Page 1 here, and it shoots me back to my other tab, and now here I'm looking at the details for Page 1. I know this page was incredibly overwhelming for me the first time that I saw it, but don't panic. It makes a lot of sense. It's very intuitive after you just start spending a couple minutes with it and just moving things around.